It was New Year's Eve. Emma stayed alone in her small apartment. Her friends were celebrating with their boyfriends or girlfriends. During the evening, they sent her messages with happy pictures and kind wishes. Emma looked at every message, but she did not feel like replying. She felt lonely because she was the only one without a partner. The apartment was silent. Outside, people laughed, talked, and enjoyed the night together. Some families and friends were already celebrating. Inside, Emma could hear only the sound of the wall clock. Tick, tick, tick. She walked over to the window and watched the street for a moment. Then she slowly returned to the kitchen. The apartment felt cold and empty. Emma picked up a book and tried to read a few pages. Reading was usually her favorite hobby, but she could not focus that evening. She read the same lines many times. After that, she switched on the television, but the program was not interesting. She turned it off again. She also played some music, yet every song made her feel even more lonely. Later, Emma became hungry. She checked the clock and noticed it was already late. She did not want to prepare dinner just for herself. Instead, she took her phone and ordered a pizza. It only took a few minutes. She hoped a warm meal would improve her evening. Sometime later, the doorbell rang. Emma opened the door. A delivery man was waiting outside with a pizza box. He was wearing a red delivery jacket, and the cold winter air entered the apartment. "Your pizza," the man said with a smile. "Thank you," Emma replied. She paid for the order, took the box, and closed the door. A few seconds later, she heard a strange noise outside. She opened the door once more and saw the delivery man standing beside his bicycle. "Is everything okay?" she asked. "My bicycle has a problem," he answered. "I can't ride it now." Emma looked at the quiet street. Everything was calm. She thought for a short moment. "You can wait inside," she said. "It's much warmer here." The man looked surprised for a second before smiling. "Thank you very much," he said. "I'm Daniel." "My name is Emma," she answered. They walked into the kitchen and sat down at the small table. Emma opened the pizza box and the fresh pizza smelled wonderful. "Would you like to have a slice?" Emma asked. "Yes, thank you," Daniel replied. They ate together in silence at first. After a few minutes, the conversation became easier. Daniel explained that he delivered food almost every night and that New Year's Eve was always one of his busiest days. Emma told him she worked in a small store and preferred peaceful days instead of crowded ones. "All of my friends are celebrating with someone tonight," Emma said quietly. "Sometimes I feel like I'm the only person alone." Daniel nodded. "I know that feeling," he said. "I meet many people every day, but sometimes I still feel lonely." They continued talking about their jobs, their favorite music, and their hopes for the new year. Emma slowly forgot her sadness. The evening became comfortable, and the time passed very quickly. When midnight arrived, Emma walked to the window and looked outside at the falling snow. Daniel stood beside her. "Happy New Year," he said. "Happy New Year," Emma answered with a smile. A little later, Daniel checked his bicycle once again. "It works now," he said happily. As he was leaving, he stopped at the door. "Can we meet again sometime?" he asked. Emma smiled warmly. "I'd like that," she replied. Daniel left the apartment. Emma closed the door behind him. She was alone again, but this time she did not feel lonely. A new year had just begun, and she looked forward to everything that was waiting for her.